Hello, all my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are very well. Let us see the second chapter, The Adventures of Toto. See, it's a very interesting story about the Toto. It's the name of the monkey, which is taken at home by the grandfather. And have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? No. Toto is a baby monkey. Let us find out whether it is a mischievous or docile. It is mischievous or docile. See, monkey is not a docile. See, always it is mischievous. See the chapter. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided to would add to a little fellow to his private zoo. द ग्रैंडफादर बॉट मंकी, ग्रैंडफादर ने जो मंकी परचेज किया था, बॉट। तो ग्रैंडफादर परचेज दिस मंकी टोटो इज़ द नेम ऑफ मंकी फ्रॉम ए टोंगा ड्राइवर। एक टोंगे चलाने वाले से उन्होंने ये मंकी परचेज किया था फॉर द स्मॉल मनी ऑफ लाइक 5 रुपीज़। द टोंगा ड्राइवर यूज टू कीप द लिटिल रेड मंकी टाइड टू ए फीडिंग थ्रो, and the monkey looked so out of place. There the grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. This grandfather had a private zoo at their house, and when he saw this monkey, he decided they will purchase it, and its little fellow, it must be inside their private zoo. ये जो है छोटा मंकी उनके प्राइवेट जू में होना चाहिए, so that they purchase it from the Tonga driver. And जनरली द टोंगा ड्राइवर यूज टू कीप दिस लिटिल रेड मंकी, ये जो रेड कलर का स्मॉल मंकी था, टाइड टू ए फीडिंग थ्रो. ही ट्राइड विद द टोंगा एंड जनरली ही फीडिंग थ्रो दिस, कुछ ना कुछ वैसे खिलाता रहता था. एंड द मंकी लुक सो आउट ऑफ प्लेस, जनरली मंकी इधर उधर देखता रहता था. There the grandfather decided. Then the grandfather liked it and decided he would add this little fellow to his private zoo, कि वो इस little fellow, इस small monkey को अपने private zoo में ले जाएंगे. The Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with the mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the light out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. The Toto is the name of monkey. It's very beautiful monkey. His bright eyes, shiny bright eyes, sparkled, shines with a small point of light. It shines. इसकी जो bright eyes थी, इसकी चमकती हुई आंखें चमकीली थी. With the mischief, इसकी naughtiness, and with his naughtiness, इसकी shiny bright eyes में शरारतें चमकती थी. एंड beneath deep set eyebrows, एंड इसके नीचे thick eyebrows थी. एंड thick eyebrows के नीचे, मतलब eyebrows के नीचे इसकी शाइनी चमकीली आंखें थी जिसमें शरारतें नज़र आती थी. इट्स लुक वेरी cute type of monkey. And his teeth, which were a pearly white, teeth were also beautiful like pearly white, मोती से चमकते सफ़ेद दांत, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened, were generally displayed, दिखते थे, in a smile, डिस्प्लेड यानी दिखाई देते थे या नज़र आते थे. दे वर ऑफन इन ए स्माइल, उस समय स्माइल करते हुए. व्हेन ही फ्राइटन समबडी, जब वो किसी को डराता था. एंड द फ्राइटन द लाइफ आउट ऑफ एल्डरली एंग्लो इंडियन लेडीज, एंड दिस मंकी लुक लाइक ए एंग्लो इंडियन लेडी, बट फ्राइटन द लाइफ आउट ऑफ एल्डरली. वो जब किसी बड़े को डराता था, किसी को भी डराता था, तो ये इसके पर्ली वाइट टीथ नज़र आते थे. बट हिज हैंड्स लुक्ड ड्राइड अप as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. But his hands not so beautiful. It's dried up, बिल्कुल सूखे हुए थे. बिल्कुल dried up यानी सूखे होना. ऐसा लगता था जैसे इन्हें किसी ने बेक कर दिया हो, कुक कर दिया हो. in the sun for many years. It's cooked in a sunbeams for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, but his fingers was work very fast, but it's very lean and thin. And its tail, while adding to his good looks, and its tail it adds beauty in his good looks. And grandfather believed a tail would add anyone's good looks. But grandfather believed it that a tail may add a full moon in the beauty. Full moon सुंदरता बढ़ाती है. Also served as a third hand. As we know, the monkey's tail always served as a third hand. Also, and his tails also served as a third hand. Third hand यानी एक तीसरे हाथ की तरह वो काम करती थी. He would use this to hang from the branches. Generally, we can see that the monkey always hang with the help of the food, with the help of the tail from the ब्रांचेज ऑफ ट्री. जनरली जो मंकीज़ होते हैं वो पूँछ की हेल्प से पेड़ की शाखाओं पे लटक जाते हैं. एंड इट वॉज केपेबल ऑफ स्कूपिंग अप, यूज इट टू हैंग फ्रॉम ए ब्रांच. एंड ही वुड यूज इट to hang from a branch. And it is also capable to scooping. Scooping means take something out very delicately that might be out of the reach of his hand, which anything is not approach in the hands he can take with the help of this tail. And grandmother always first when the grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto presents should be kept a secret from her until she was in particularly good mood. तो grandmother जो थी, grandmother always become very angry when the grandfather purchase some new birds or animal at home. जब भी grandfather कुछ नया bird या कोई नया animal घर पे लेकर आते थे, she become very angry. So it was decided, तो ये निश्चित किया गया, so it was decided that the Toto's presence should be kept a secret. They were not show her the Totos and not tell about the Toto at home, because the grandmother became angry. So that they kept a secret from her, from the grandmother, until she was in a particular good mood. Till when he was not a good mood, जब तक कि उनका मूड अच्छा नहीं हो, इसकी प्रेजेंस को वो एक सीक्रेट की तरह रखेंगे. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom. The grandfather and the storyteller I decided they will keep it at home in his bedroom wall, where he was tied securely. जहाँ इसे they will tied inside the bedroom, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. So they decided they will tied up or fitted it into the wall. A few hours later, so they kept as a secret. A few hours later, but कुछ घंटों के बाद, when the grandfather and I came back to the released Toto, when they fitted it to the wall, and after few hours, when they returned to the room, they returned to the room to release the Toto, to open the Toto. We found that the walls, what they found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental papers chosen by the grandfather, now stood out. It's very beautiful decorated wall. And when they entered in the room, they found that the decorated wall, which is very beautifully decorated with the paper, and now that was brick and plaster was out. वो बिल्कुल ख़राब कर दी गई थी. उनके ब्रिक्स और उनके प्लास्टर्स, उनकी ईंटें और जो प्लास्टर होता है दीवार पे, वो निकल चुका था. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. Peg is small type of small pin, keel, nail in the wall. स्मॉल नेल जो कि एक कील से जिससे बांधा गया था उसे वॉल पे, इट हैज़ बीन रेंज्ड, पुट इट आउट स्ट्रांगली. रेंज्ड, WRENCHED, रेंज्ड मीन्स पुट इट आउट स्ट्रांगली. उस चीज़ को खींच के बाहर निकाल लिया गया, झटके से बहुत तेज़ी से बाहर निकाला. फ्रॉम ए सॉकेट जिसमें लगाया गया था, सॉकेट से. एंड माई स्कूल ब्लेजर, और राइटर्स स्कूल ब्लेजर जो था, विच हैड बीन हैंगिंग देयर, विच वॉज हैंगिंग देयर, जो वहाँ पे टका हुआ था, was in shreds, cut in the pieces or torn off, जिसके टुकड़े हुए हुए थे और फटा हुआ था. I wondered, what they found there? They found the monkey did his work completely. His mischievous, his naughtiness show in the room with the scratching the wall and turn off the blazer of the writer. And I wondered what grandmother वुड से कि अब ग्रैंडमदर क्या कहेगी। थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू।